Hi all, welcome to CSEC Mathematics with Mr. Charles. Today we are looking at approximations and we're gonna start off with rounding off to the nearest whole number. Also we're gonna look at rounding off to the nearest tens and to the nearest hundreds. So our first question here states express each of the following decimals correct to the nearest whole number. So A is 9.8. Now when you're rounding off to the nearest whole number, you want to insert a line or a vertical line between the digit in the ones place and the digit in the tens place, or the digit in the first decimal place. So that would be between the 9 and the 8. We're going to put a line there, and we're going to look at the first decimal place. The digit there is 8. It is greater than 5. Okay, so we're going to add 1 to the digit in the ones place. So 9 plus 1 would give us 10. Okay, and we drop the 8. Okay, so we don't write 108. We have to drop the 8. So 9.8 to the nearest whole number is approximately equal to 10. And that's the answer there. Okay, now for B, we have to put a line between the 2 and the 4. Okay, and the 4 is less than 5 in this case, so we do not add 1 to 2. Okay, we just drop the 4, so our answer would be approximately equal to 2. Okay, because the 4 is less than 5. Okay, now the third one is 5.5. Okay, our line comes here. The 5, well, it is 5. Okay, and once the digit in the tens place is 5 or more, okay, once the digit in the tens place with THS in the end is 5 or more, we have to add 1 to the digit in the ones place. And 5 plus 1 would give us 6, so our answer is approximately equal to 6. Okay, let's look at D. D is 15.7. Now the digit in the ones place, or the units place, is 5. Okay, and the digit in the tens place, or the digit in the first decimal place, is 7. So our line has to go between the 5 and the 7. And the 7 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to the 5 in the ones place. Okay, and we have to drop the 7 here. So our answer would be approximately equal to 16, right? Because 5 plus 1 is 6, so I can say 15 plus 1 is 16. Right, that's our answer there. E, letter E, 39.5. Now the line has to come between the 9 and the 5. Okay, and the 5, okay, it's 5, so we have to add 1 to the 9, so we get 39.5 is approximately equal to 9 plus 1 is 10, but we could also say 39 plus 1 is 40, so our answer is approximately 40. Okay, we have to drop the 5. Okay, now F is 75.2. The digit in the ones place is 5, and the digit in the tens place, or the first decimal place, is 2. So our line comes between the 5 and the 2, and the 2 in the first decimal place is less than 5, so we just drop it and we keep the 75. So our answer is approximately equal to 75. Okay, 75. Let us look at G. Now we have 345.813. The digit in the first decimal place is 8, and the digit in the units place, or the ones place, is 5. So our line comes between the 5 and the 8. The 8 here is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to the 5 in the ones place. Okay, so 345 plus 1 is 346. Okay, so that's approximately equal to 346, and we drop the 0.813. Okay, because it's a whole number that we want, so our answer is approximately equal to 346. Now H is 471.541. okay, and the digit in the units place or the ones place, units is the same as ones, is 1. okay, that's the digit in the units place, and the digit in the tens place or the digit in the first decimal place is 5. So the line comes between the 1 and the 5. Now the digit in the first decimal place is 5, so we have to add 1 to the digit in the ones place, which is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so our answer would be approximately equal to 472. okay, we dropped the 0.541, so our answer is 472. Now I is 213.215. Our line comes between the 3 in the units place and the 2 in the first decimal place. The 2 in the first decimal place is less than 5, so we just skip the 213. okay, approximately equal to 213, and we drop the 0.215. So our answer is approximately equal to 213, and that is our answer there. okay.